What's up, dudes? I know, it's been a while, but everything's been a lot lately. With school and work, public schools starting again, everything has been really hard. Been really busy. But I'm trying to make more videos. Yeah. Also, you can probably see that I'm trying something new today. Yeah, I'm interpreting for myself in a tiny box up here. Yep. I hope it works. If not, won't do it again. I hope y'all like it, and y'all tell me if you don't. Anyway, song today, 10,000 Hours by Dan Shay and Justin Bieber. I can't spell, really can't. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, the first verse of the song is, do you love the rain? You can also sign do like do. It's whatever you like. Does it make you dance? When you're drunk? With your friends at a party? What's your favorite song? Does it make you smile? Do you think of me? Second verse. When you close your eyes, tell me, what do you dream about? Everything. Everything. I want to know all. Okay, this is the part of the song that repeats itself over and over again, right here. I spend 10,000 hours 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweet heart of yours. You can also sign heart like heart if you like. It's whatever. I like heart. Maybe I'll never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it takes 10,000 hours for the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Third verse. Do you miss the road you grew up on? Did you get your middle name from your grandma? When you think about forever, do you think of me? Fourth verse. No. Really, the second verse we've already done. When you close your eyes, Tell me, what do you dream about? Everything. I want to know it all. Okay, now the fourth verse and the last verse. Ooh, want the good and want the bad, and everything in between. Got a cure that's also heal. My curiosity. Ooh, yeah. Okay, I'm done. Time for the music.
Does it make you dance when you're drunk with your friends at a party? What's your favorite song? Does it make you smile? Do you think of me? When you close your eyes, tell me, what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all. I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. Do you miss the road that you grew up on? Did you get your middle name from your grandma? When you think about you forever now, do you think of me? When you close your eyes, tell me, what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all. I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. Ooh, want the good and the bad, everything in between. Ooh, gotta cure my curiosity. Oh yeah, I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you.
I really liked this song. It was so cute. Y'all should definitely try it. I hoped this helped and that you liked it. Let me know what you think about the interpreting. It took a lot longer, and I'm not really sure if I'll do it again, but I wanted to try something new. And what'd you think? Okay, I'm out of here. Bye.
Are you done with what